Hey everyone.
Welcome back. It's been a minute since we have done an unboxing. We've been just really busy with life and everything like that. And to celebrate my birthday week, Chris had bought me this new Skullpanda Paradox Series. So we decided to do an unboxing. So as you can see, this is what this looks like here. It's really, really nice. And then let me just take a look here. I believe these are what you could possibly get as well. I just want to make sure that the angle looks okay there too. And yeah,
I think these are the smaller size figurines,
yes,
as opposed to the big Skullpanda plush dolls. So.
Yes. So we're gonna just get this party started and by just even opening the box here. Let's see here. Let's see if we can just find a little lip or opening that we can.
You want me?
I got it. Sorry. It's just literally just trying to get that little lip up for the. There you go. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. We just ran a run this morning. We ran a run. Yes. I did a half marathon and Chris did a 5K.
Yep, that's my limit, 5 days.
Yep, and so got a little bit of plastic here. All right, let's see what's there. All right, let's see how we want to open this. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, I guess you can do
I
that
kind of
one.
want to do it this way.
Okay, that's
Because
fair.
that way later on when I want to do the display.
Oh, how many right here?
There are 12 in here.
That's a lot.
Yeah, so, right, we just pick one. I'll just pick from this side here just to get things started.
And I'll pick from the opposite side.
And so you see this as the front here, and then you can get a lot of different ones here. These are very, very pretty actually, so.
And there's a secret one too, of course.
There is a secret, and there is a 1 in 144 chance of getting the secret.
Yep.
So.
Let's go.
All right, let's do it. All right, so I am going to just take a look here.
I think the very first small ones we did was the Demo World, right?
Yes,
I haven't really done one this size in a while.
This is what this would look like.
Ooh.
This is pretty. I like the wrapping on it. All right, so let's see. Let's see what we get here. I feel like a foam thing in here, so let's go ahead. Ooh.
Oh, this is a foam protector.
This is just a foam protector, but this is what that looks like. Ooh, I love the lighting on this.
What's that one called?
Let's see. This one is called Flying High.
Flying High.
Yes, this one's called Flying High. Definitely love the details on this. This is so pretty. Once I actually am able to do like the display, I'll be able
That's what we're working on, actually.
Yeah.
She's been working on. All right, my turn. Ooh, this has come additionally wrapped for protection. Very cool. We'll take off the styrofoam, but that's what this one is. Very cool.
What is that one called?
I'm gonna look at the card over here. This one is called The Bond.
The Bond.
Like the one we have between you and I. Yes, The Bond. Cool. It comes with a stand, but we'll put that together later on. Very cool though. I like the intricate designs again.
I do like
Feels
it.
very almost porcelain, right?
Yeah. I'm not sure what they're made out of. Let's see. Product, model, material, PVC, ABS. Not sure. Okay. All right, my pool. Let's see. It looks like it comes with a stand of some sort.
Cool.
So that's there. In the smaller series, I noticed they come with like either stands or just something to connect to it and stuff like that. So let's see what this next one is in here. All right, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, what is this one?
That's cool.
This one is
Thing on the
really
back too. This one is called the asymmetrical balance.
the
That's pretty
asymmetrical.
cool.
The
There you go.
asymmetrical balance. There you go.
Boop.
That is pretty neat. I like that
Very
one.
cool names of these. I like them. Alright, that's cool. Looking for a secret.
Yes, we are looking for a secret,
Hmm.
absolutely.
I think the secret is called the key, and it's like surrounded by a bunch of floating black keys or something.
Oh, that's pretty
So it
cool.
looks pretty cool. Zip and
See. All right.
ooh, it's blue.
It's blue. Okay.
Baby blue. Oh,
Ooh.
cool.
Oh, it's there you go. That's nice.
This is cool.
This is really pretty.
And this one has like surrounded by some water or something. Or no, that's her clothing. Anyways, this one's called diving in. So yes, water. Very much so. Cool. Of course, it comes with a stand, but we'll get to that.
All right, let's see. Let's see if we can pull a secret for this one.
Secret.
Secret. That'd be so cool.
That would be great.
Let's see.
Ooh,
This one's pretty as well. Let's see.
it's cool looking.
This is really pretty. And this one is called, let's see, I like looking at the picture. This one is Spin a Cocoon.
Spin a cocoon.
Yeah, this one's really pretty too.
Very cool. We're cool to get the one on the, we haven't gotten the one on the actual photo, right?
That was pretty nice, so.
Yep. Let's see. That one's looking at the card. Ooh, this one's like horizontally this way. Let's see. Ooh, cool.
Ooh,
It's like got a little moon thingy. It's cool.
cute little stand.
Little thing on the back. Cool thing on the front. No,
What is that one called?
This one's called. Official name is
Oh,
The Eternal Echoes.
there you go.
Very cool. Very cool.
The one that Chris is talking about that's on the cover of this is called The Cyclical Path.
Cyclical Path.
Yeah. Alright, come on. Alright, let's see. Alright, not looking at the card whatsoever. Okay. This one's really pretty too. We'll take off the foam thing later on. But this one is called, let's see. This one's called Out of the Mud.
Out of the mud. Oh yeah.
Okay, that's great.
Coming out of the earth. Cool. Alright, on to the next one. I thought this series looked pretty cool.
Yeah,
So-
it looks pretty.
Yeah. Pretty and pretty cool. Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's see.
More official. Tear. Number 4.
Ooh,
Ooh.
what is this one?
Oh.
Oh, that one's neat.
This is cool looking.
That one looks like it's being a butterfly.
Being, oh, hence there's a butterfly over there.
That's so cool. It's
Drop
pretty.
this. Yes. Cool. Nice. Butterfly.
Alright. That's cool.
Got a few more to go. Let's go. Secret.
Oh, secret. Alright, let's see. Let's see, what is this one? This one, ooh, this is pretty.
Kind of like some flames or something around it too. It's kind of cool.
That, and this one is gonna be called the
Hold.
The Hold. Okay. All right.
Pretty cool.
That is pretty neat.
Nice.
That one.
That corner. Let's see. These are all really cool. We've got a lot of these,
Yes.
obviously.
Yep. All right.
Okay.
The last two, we're still looking for the cyclical path.
We got one more.
Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go.
Last three.
Last three. Okay.
It's like opening a Pokemon card.
Let's see if I can open this up the same time here.
Oh, something popped out. It's okay, I'm not looking. Don't look. Although I saw a color, so I know it's probably not the secret. But let's see. You never know. You never know. Oh, it's huge.
Oh, that's
There we
the
go.
one. The one that you were looking for.
On
The
the cover.
cyclical
Cyclical
path.
path. It's hiding inside there. I hate it. Oh no, that was the silica gel that fell.
Oh, I was like, oh.
Not important. That's so cool.
Right, let's see. Oh, this one is,
Big.
it was wrapped around a foam thing, so I don't know what that means.
One of those too from there.
Alright, let's see. Ooh. This one's pretty
Is that
too.
internal dialogue?
Yes.
It's like the nighttime looking one.
Yeah, this one's pretty neat too. Like that, like that.
Last one we're missing is the jewel cage or the secret,
Alright.
which still looks cool. So you can
Either
do the
way.
honors and pull the last one. Here,
Okay.
I'll pack that one away.
Alright, thank you. Alright.
Let's go.
Let's go secret.
Secret time.
Secret. Let's see.
Both do look pretty cool though. So
They do. I agree.
all right, last one.
Come on. Open up. This one looks cool.
And that one's the final, the jewel cage. Let's
The
see.
jewel case.
Yeah,
This is
that
pretty.
is really cool.
This is nice.
It's got like crystals and stuff around
Yeah,
it.
I
Awesome.
like. Yeah, and we like jewels, so
We do.
awesome. So no secret this time around, but definitely really like this series overall. The artistry behind everything was so pretty. So yeah.
Intricate, cool, feels good texture too.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
not like super plasticky, but
Yeah.
yeah, cool.
Thanks for coming along, guys. We'll see you next time.